Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel IT World Info. Today we are going to talk about difference between Telnet versus SSH. First up, know that what is Telnet and what is SSH. Both are works equally, but Telnet is old version and SSH is latest version, which work is remotely access by command line every data like user document, everything you can access by Telnet and SSH. So first I am going to know that what is difference between. First of all, I am going to know full form. A Telnet full form is Telecom Communication Network, and SSH full form is Secure Cell. Now access type. Telnet access type is both all access type is equal, like command line interface Telnet and command line remotely access space SSH, and TCP port is 23, which Telnet port is 23 and SSH secure cell port is 22. Now security की बात करें, talk to about security, then Telnet is unsecure and SSH is secure. Authentication, when we are talking about authentication, then Telnet is not getting too much authentication, that's why it is weak authentication, and SSH is getting too much authentication, that's why it is strong authentication. Suitable for Telnet is suitable for Unix, and SSH is suitable for CentOS, Ubuntu, Linux, Unix, and Red Hat. Encryption. Telnet sends every data and passwords is unencrypted. That's why it is getting too bad about encryption. And about Telnet, about SSH, it send every data and password is encrypted. That is good for about our security when we are using SSH. Protection. No such protection is have no protect. And in the SSH protection from is have to protect IP spoofing and DNS spoofing, which means protection is good for your when you are using SSH, like if anyone try to hack your IP, hack DNS, then it will be not very easily to hack these things. So these are things about difference between SSH and Telnet. So how was this video? If you like my video, and I hope you like this video, so please do like and subscribe my channel. I will meet you in the next video. Next video I will tell you that how to configure Telnet in the network. Okay, thank you. We will meet you in the next video. Bye.